What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So pretty much an easy day today. We have 4 drop-offs and that's it. We don't have to go to the landfill today or anything, so that headache is out the window. Coming up on the first one, it's right next to the yard, 7 minutes away. So we're gonna pull up to this, drop it off, and then head back to the yard, pick up another one. The only bad thing about today is we gotta switch off the roll-off trailer and deliver the 15-yard dump trailer. So that's always a pain in the butt. Well, I wish there were all these as that. Huh? Oh, I forgot. There was a bike in here, my bad. I gotta open that up. You did say you're good for Wednesday pickup? Yeah. Okay, cool. Take it easy. If you have any questions, just call. That was pretty easy. I kind of want, oh, look at this guy. Jesus Christ, dude. What are you doing? The dude was all the way in my lane making a turn. And he had a little toaster oven car. I don't get it. Anyways, so when there's, Jesus, are you kidding me right now? Anyways, so when there is a incline in the driveway, what I like to do is I stay in the road straight as possible, and I lift up the dumpster and take it off the trailer about 4 feet off the trailer. Because the way this PJ sits, when I lift, if I didn't do that, when I lift the roll-off trailer all the way up, it'll just get stuck there because of that incline. So I like to take it off about 4 feet and then roll it off a little bit, bring it back down, and then back it into its spot on the driveway. And then once I lift up the trailer, it'll just roll off even easier. So that's some little tips for you. You know, running this business, you'll understand and you'll learn those things. But that was really easy. I mean, I got out of my truck to unhook the dumpster. I wish they were all like that. Unfortunately, they are not. So, all right, we're gonna go to the yard, pick up the next 20 yard. All right, here we are. He said he wants it on the left side. I think I got it on the first try. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So, let's look on this side a little bit. I mean, do we have a little bit of, that's fine. Let me bring it over just a little bit. Yeah, it needs to be over just a little bit. All right, there we go. And put some grease on them wheels. All right, and that's all she wrote. All right. Good enough for me. Let's roll. We're at the third one. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Working hard. Did my office call you yesterday?
Yes.
Okay.
Picking up Wednesday?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, just making sure. That should give you plenty of room.
Yeah, perfect.
Alrighty, so you have a great day. All right, well, that one was easy again. So another easy drop off. We're gonna head back to the yard, put a 20 yard on this trailer, download this trailer, get the dump trailer, and call it a day. All right. It is right here. Well, we gotta move this stuff out the way. There's a Farrell roofing sign. I think that should be good. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for dumpster deliveries today. We did 4 of them, just drop-offs. Didn't really come into any issues with any deliveries today. They were actually quite fairly easy, pretty straightforward. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm gonna try to do one of these a week at a minimum. Hopefully, if not, once every other week. It's just a little hard with juggling two YouTube channels. If you guys haven't checked out my fishing channel, it's Real Coast Adventures. I got way more subscribers on that channel. That one's gonna be pretty good this year with us going to multiple, you know, locations like Boca Grande and going tarpon fishing and stuff like that. So again, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you on the next one. Adios.